It's not for likes, it's for discoverability. And what you really want to be doing is making sure that when people are typing in by the billions every single day these questions into Google and into YouTube, the two largest search engines in the world, that search engine's job is to match the question to a piece of content that has the same title in it. And that's how you're going to get found. And it's the quality of the education that you're providing in that video that's going to convert them into a customer for you. With AI now taking over, content is more important than ever, because some of them are doing it already, but many of these language models, the chat GPTs and so on, are at some point going to be legislated and will be forced to source where they've got that information from. At the moment, you can go to chat GPT, ask any question. It's basically scraping all of our content, plagiarizing everything, and leaving an answer without sourcing that lead of where it came from. However, it will be legislated. We're in the Wild West right now. But if you have got blog posts out there, if you've got videos on the public domain, eventually those AIs are going to say, and here's this person's website, here's where I got this from. And AI is going to work as a source of traffic for you in the future, provided that you start creating content now and producing content regularly. And the more you can niche down the topic, the more you're going to help AI work for you in the future. And those of us here who have success have done that from the early days, but now is the time to absolutely get your head start in front of your competition, who might be going, I'm going to get to that YouTube channel and do it later.